Crazy Crafters, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be making paperclip bookmarks with ribbon and beads. Now let's get to it.
The materials you'll need for this craft are jumbo paper clips, some various ribbons 6 to 8 inches in length, crafting beads, and scissors. To start your craft, we're going to take our paper clip, and you want to put the ribbon on the open side of the paper clip. So you're just going to take your ribbon and feed it through that open end and tie it, the knot, so it goes right up on the edge of the paper clip. I'm going to pull that nice and tight, and then we're going to tie it one more time so it stays secure. And it is as simple as that, and then just kind of move your ribbon so it sticks up like that, and then it would stick up out of the book. That is the first one. The next one we wanted to show you is one with beads on it. So we're going to use a thin ribbon for the beads. That way it'll make it easier to feed it through the beads. And we're just going to start off the same way. Use that open end of the paper clip and tie 2 knots. Then you're going to smooth your ribbons out and take a bead and just feed the ribbon through the hole in the bead. I'm just going to put on, I think, 3 beads. Just feed that through, and 1 more bead, feed that through. Don't worry if the ends of your ribbon aren't neat, you can always cut those at the end. And then to keep the beads on, I'm going to tie my ribbon like 3 times should be good, so the beads don't come off. And this, when you're using your ribbon for this craft, usually 8 inches is a good length. That way it gives you plenty of room to tie. I'm just going to tie it once for now because it's taking me a while, but you would tie it in a knot 3 times, and then that would be good so that your beads wouldn't come off the string. And there you have your other paper clip. And this is a wider ribbon. Just to show you that any width of ribbon will work. Usually lighter ribbons, lighter weight ribbons work better. They're easier to tie, and then they also stand up nicer out of the book. Instead of winging out like that, they kind of stand up like that together. If you need to cut the ends, you can just cut those with your scissors just to make them a little neater.
And that is how you make a paperclip bookmark. You can keep these for yourself, or you can put them on a card and give them as a gift. If you like this craft, please consider liking our video and subscribing to our channel. Thanks, Crazy Crafters, for tuning in. We'll hope to see you next time. Bye!